Sir, Loitna basically I'll start with town and country planning. Because sir, Goyant Esha Muntai ki Ajib Goa's Gajab politics. Or maga dista ek book hai. And of what I have seen over the years, because sir, is that most of the Goan politicians starting Sogle are involved in these land deals. When I say land deals, there are a lot of senior ministers here also. जाय तो पहिले PDA लागून जगताले आणि TCP खाती म्हणजे एक बारीकशे मुख्यमंत्रीचो मुख्यमंत्री. That was the power. A lot was spoken in the past आणि जाय ते आर्किटेक्टूय आजाले. थोडे आर्किटेक्ट जे आसले ते झोन चेंज कोताले पेन घेवन बोर्डसां. रातीचे जे कोण मेळो येताले whoever from the department, Rati Felpen gen green, red, यही आये आयकलोले, पयलेश जाताले. Because sir, आज म्हाका दिसता if you see the connection, it is definitely successive governments. And the need for special status was also said when this government in 2012 was supposed to come into power. It was promised even by the Honorable Prime Minister कि गोवा को स्पेशल स्टेटस देंगे. स्पेशल स्टेटस क्यों देंगे? क्योंकि यहाँ जो म्हाका दिसता जे लँडाचे डील जाताले, लँड डील बंद जावपाक आनी गोंयकाराक जमिन्यो ज्यो म्हाका दिसता गोंयकाराच्या हातांत आसपाक एक प्रयत्न जालोलो. तेजेर आमचो काँग्रेस सरकारूय पडलो. म्हाका दिसता आमचो जो मंत्री आहा त्या वेळार हेल्थ मिनिस्टर आशिल्लो. मुख्यमंत्री हिंगा बसोन ना. रिजनल प्लॅनाचे जायतो बोवाळ जालो. त्या वेळार मागीर रिजनल प्लॅन ते सस्पेंड केले. सरकारूय चेंज जाली. हांव कित्याक सांगपाक सोदता स्पीकर सर? बिकॉज गोवाज लँड एंड द पीपल आर कंप्लीटली कनेक्टेड टू इट. नाव स्पीकर सर, I do not know where to begin and start with this story of the TCP ministry, the achievements, upswings, downswings, successes, failures. पण म्हाका दिसता आज गोंयचे सगळे लोक as they are as representatives म्हणून they are looking at us, and social media basically is at riff with the reckless speed of changes in zoning of land, change of use of land, transfer of land into hands of land bankers, and convergence of lands into settlements. It's because correctionaच्या नावान we are told that it has turned into a hurricane which has washed away the very meaning of TCP. Corrections basically are supposed to be exceptions. And rectifications of errors. Correction म्हणून जावपाक जाय. But I believe that these exceptions, TCP has made this into a rule. Now, because of few names that I was just looking at the list, few names that I would name: Goodath, Milrock, Rishika Promoters, Harinder Pal Singh or Sanbanad Sana, Resh Magos or DLF, Hindu Jagran Samiti. And that's because Maka Kushalka Bhaktali, if I would have seen a lot of Goan names, and I request the Honorable Minister J, Goan names is what you should tell us. Common locale, dakle plot, where corrections are done. Yes, corrections need to be done, but at small junctions where horech land tengele je 500 square meter, 400 square meter, 300 square meter, where people really are in trouble, Goans are in trouble. Basic expectations because from this department was there had to be planning, but there seems to be a silence on planning. एक होतान स्पीकर सर, मुखेलमंत्री म्हणटा सरकार तुमच्या दारी, पूण सरकाराक म्हाका दिसता जाय करपाक गोंयकारा सायडीन दिल्लीवाला तुमच्या शेजारी. The objective is basically, I'm not putting the TCP department in the dock, but the entire house has to basically judge and opine on this matter. And I believe a lot of members spoke today, spoke their heart out. It's because it is painful and to see that the voices, a lot also in the print media. If you look at it, all over the place, a lot of media speaking, a lot of NGOs, and you moved a breach of privilege. I'll come to that in some times. Because 16B म्हणटाय तो जेन्ना when it was started by the BJP government. Honorable Fatorda MLA said that he did 30 odd cases. As nantar, Speaker sir, these cases went to 7,000. 7,400. 800. आता 7,800 jenna म्हणटा Speaker sir, 1 crore 40 lakh square meters was converted. Can you imagine? 1 crore 40 lakh square meters. Now, 1,40,40,00,000 जमीन जर कन्वर्ट केली गोंय कितें उरतलें? एक आवाज जालो. When we were first MLAs, एल्टन सदां म्हणटालो हें ओपन जातलें क्लोज जातलें काय म्हणून. हें ओपन जातलें क्लोज जातलें. We had to go to the court. NGOs went to the court and this was stopped. Speaker sir, now they say that the Honorable Minister ki 21,29,000 has been converted in 15 months. They say 1986 or 2005 as Aunam. And basically if you look, I believe this jo also amcho MLA nanta sangla Congress and Goa Ford kitya board matele ye baba in karma sogli या भाजपा सरकाराली भाजपाचो सरकार आल्लो 10 वर्सां तूं सपोर्ट विथड्रॉ कर
ना एक मिनिट
तुगे पॉट परमिशन दिलें भाजपाचो सरकार आशिल्लो
तेजेन पयलीं काँग्रेसूय आहले
काँग्रेस तुवें पॉट प्रोजेक्ट पॉट केलाय तुगे सगलें तूं झेडपी आसलो तूं झेडपी आसतना तेन्ना हे बीजेपी सरकारान दिला 10 वर्सां आनी 12 वर्सां जालीं
हांव झेडपी खंय आसलो
Honorable members, honorable members, no cross talk.
सांग मरे झेडपी खंय आसलो झेडपी आसलो हांव करतले आसलो सांगवड आसो ना हो प्रोजेक्ट जालो ही
तेन्ना सांगिल्लें तुका हूंय आसलो न्हू तूं झेडपी
मागीर
तूं काँग्रेसान केलें गोवा फॉरवर्डान केलें ते काँग्रेसान आमचो दिगंबर बाब येयलो तो मुखेलमंत्री आसलो त्या टायमार ते बंद उडयलें लोकांक नाकाल्लो मो हें केलें कोणें ही पातकां ही शर्मा वर्मा हिंगी कर्मा आनी तूं BJP आहा तेम केलें 10 वर्सां तूं सपोर्ट विथड्रॉ कर लोकां बारा राव लोक आसता तुजे बारा
सपोर्ट विथड्रॉ करपाक तूं म्हाका सांगपा नाका कळ्ळें
स्पीकर सर जें म्हाका दिसता चोयल्यार दीस बेजिकली आय वूड लायक टू हायलायट अनदर पर्टिक्युलर पार्ट जें हेरिटेज बिल्डिंगाच्या नांवान KK बिल्डर्स मू आमचे चांदोरचे गांवांत नाव इट इज अ हेरिटेज विलेज इन दीस हेरिटेज विलेज यू डिक्लेअर and you give permission for a project and a project speaker sir heritage village mu ek hoda and villa mugate what is this yes speaker sir in this we have written to you and I object to this strictly speaker sir this particular KK builders will be not be given हांव सांगपाक सोदता एक होदा मुखेलमंत्री बाब येला heritage village केल्या आनी थिंगा एकलो बॉम्बेच कोण बिल्डर येला आनी 30,000 जमनीचेर तो थिंगा प्रोजेक्ट घाता स्पीकर सर कालच्या दिसांनी yesterday we went to Sankwal for a protest आमदारूय येल्लो आनी भुतानी म्हणजे भुतानी इन्फ्रा सगळे बोर्ड दिसताय नाव यू आर सेइंग that you didn't give these permissions who gave it you revoked these permissions who gave these permissions ek minute I'll just finish
honorable leader of the opposition I just said that all those huge structures which have come at the edge of the cliff I was our minister when it was given I have talked to the MLA concerned and Mr. Anton Vaz who spoke to me the other day.
Speaker sir,
there is some
Anton Vaz said that the Congress and Goa Forward
I'm not going into
I'm kelna. Speaker sir, ye kel kone to open allo to close zala.
Speaker sir, I am not getting
Honorable
into
leader of
BJP
opposition.
Congress duet here. I am not. I let him complete.
They tell that member.
No, I am
Speaker
talking.
sir, you should tell your member.
No, that he's
Kite horzo de
member
kode
is
horzo de
independent
dusre
to
kode
speak what he speaks. But let us not get into
Speaker sir,
please complete.
ये KK builder तू माचे बुरेन बुरेल तुका तू एकदा रिवोक कर
जे आयज पर्यंत लिडर ऑपोजिशनान हांवें कमिटमेंट दिल्ले आसा ते सगळे प्रोजेक्ट्स हांवें कॅन्सल केला आनी यू शूड अप्रिशिएट द फॅक्ट आनी हे बी तुका नाका जाल्यार म्हाका पत्र दी पत्रची कॉपी
पत्र ऑलरेडी बुरयले तुका पत्र बुरयलें तेका नोटीस धाडल्या बंद कर
म्हाका एक मिनिट म्हाका एक सांग तुका तुवें आयज पर्यंत जे लेटरां दिल्या तेजेर हांवें एक्शन घेतला काय घेवंक ना
घेतला ना मग सांगिल्लें ना घेतला बरें आनी मुखार हे भुतानीचे मातशे घे थिंगा 35
सांगला तेका ऑलरेडी ऑनरेबल MLA
35,000 एरिया आहा converted into C1, 70,000 square meters, 73% dongra esko यहाँ कितें gradient. हम काल आल्ले थिंगा, एल्टनूय आल्लो, हांवूय आल्लो, आमदारूय आल्लो. 73% gradient, private forest area, and basically 700 flats. If you multiply by 3 in one flat, 2,000 people will change the geography of that place. There are several projects like this. This is one that I would bring to the notice of the Honorable Minister. When there is so much geographical changes happening within one vicinity, 2000 कोणू आपूस जातलो, 2000 लोक येयल्या, तेंच बरें मागीर कार्ड कोतले, वोटिंगा इलेक्शन कार्ड कोतली, सगळे मागीर थिंगा घुसतले. आनी हें कित करप स्पीकर सर? हें म्हाका दिसता हुंय ना हुंय हें मेगा प्रोजेक्ट पड जाताय, हे मेगा प्रोजेक्ट पयलीं सद्या बंद जावपाक जाय. बिकॉज Goa doesn't have the carrying capacity. Number one. Speaker sir, now I don't want to go more into your bill. तुवें आज bill withdraw केला. But that bill, Speaker sir, yet whatever changes you are proposing, the use of land, change in ODPs, and you're putting that outside court purview, putting it outside the court purview, Speaker sir, maga dista.
Speaker sir, point of order, because again, this out of court purview and all, actually, you are much more knowledgeable. You are the leader of.
No,
the,
you are.
No. I want to clarify. Out of court purview, it's. Bill is not before the House, and also second thing is that it's a validation point that is put in all the bills, including the bills that have been presented on the floor of the House by the Law Department. We have not put anything, and it's a part of every bill that has been put, just for your knowledge. So all that in social media that is going on for the people of the state of Goa. Ekut second. Tu ulay, say te ulay tu. Pun kide ha, Bab Yuri is a knowledgeable person. He goes into depth. But when person like you starts going into this particular thing, let me clarify. I have been keeping quiet all these days. As आमी घालूंक ना ते law departmentan घातलेले आसा as a validation clause. And त्या प्रत्येक बिलाना and बाब युरी रोज बिलांचेर वाचता ते वाच नाही ते हा ते प्रत्येक बिलाना आणि तो आता तुका टाउन प्लॅनिंगाचेर उलोवपाक गावले.
As part of judicial review, म्हाका दिसता this is the basic structure of our constitution. Number one. Number two, executive actions of ours. We cannot put it outside the
bill has been withdrawn already. Can you speak?
No, I'm speaking in any bill that comes, we should make sure that basically it does not violate any structure of our constitution. Speaker sir, I believe this is nothing but anti-democratic. Speaker sir, if this bill was to protect our Goans and whatever, this is a completely different thing, because just because you all have the brute majority coming up with several other bills. I'm coming on the other bills also. People are concerned. The government is basically, common man is concerned. You look at the fear and anxiety. I'm telling Honorable Chief Minister, 2011-10 with the regional plan, the same thing happened. And at that time we lost our government. But we had withdrew the regional plan then. But now, Speaker sir, tu gele je tu hallo Mukhyamantri. 1.30 lakh zomin convert kelli 16 bi at that time. At te delete zale whatever it is. To te munsha lagi do na kai open close munsha bi te sarke hit listache hai goinche. Speaker sir, aaj jenna you all bought that bona vacantia bill. With this bill also, people who are left with no heirs, for example, or abandoned lands, ownership is not clear. This type of legislations raise the doubt in the minds of the people. Today, Sogle, Asagaon kit gale Michael Babna. Tinga pratek 1,20,000 square meter land hoita. Is it affordable? Can any go and buy it? Todesha astole. Maybe Michael can buy because he's into it. Auna real estate business auna. Speaker sir, ani aun sangpak sotta ki basically this bill should be like it is a clear case of shooting a dog by calling him mad. This looks absolutely the same. Speaker sir, maga dista je amche freedom fighter ashille, je amche opinion pola pasod amcho Ravi Babing ha je zogolle goench urpa jay mo goenkara barabori ye kit cholna किसली बिल आटा है ये एक साइड ये शाटा. You see, tourism ministry wants the land, IT ministry wants the land, IPB wants the land, industry wants the land, TCP wants the land, agriculture. revenue wants the land. So what are we left with? Because म्हाका दिसता हुई ना हुई ये mega project जे पडे हाय, you need to basically look at the destruction that they have caused. If your predecessor has caused it, you please look into it, make sure it will be destructive for a tsunami of our locals. Because आमकां काल लोकांन सांगलेलें की provisional NOC to withdraw कोर, convergence सनाद पड्या ते suspend कोर, आनीक basically I don't know whether this is सबका साथ सबका विकास कामो, खबर ना म्हाका हें सबका साथ सबका विकास कामो, then only God save Goa. Because one more point is of the existing rules of 225 square meters. I think this is being misused at several places. जे subdivisions आता, basically Goa Regulation of Land Development and Building Construction Rules 2023. This was only exception was under affordable housing. Poer आमी 20-point program उलयले. This because आज example जुवारी थिंगा जुवारीन 100 square meter plot केले. एक प्लॉटाक 1,20,000. That comes to almost 1 crore. 1 crore 20 lakhs. Bill कितें आयना मुख्यमंत्रीन आनी सगळ्यान मेळून bill हाडपाचो to take this land back. Take it, bring this land back to us. 1,20,000 from 25 paise to 1,20,000. So because I believe that basically this clear indicates that people are misusing this clause of Building Construction and Relaxation Act 2023 while destroying the Goan environment and agriculture. Ada Janna 16B gele 39A to modify the regional plan and the ODP. This allows you to change and fix in 17.2 advertent errors that needed alterations or modification. My constituency in Kunkolim, I was just got some figures. Elton just shared with me that 8,000 square meters have been changed. I don't know who this land belongs to. But if you look at the figures that Jeet was saying, with lakhs of square meters, I believe you have to take him, आता बोस मातशें सारकें जाग्यार घाल. कित्याक म्हाका दिसता आज people are watching us. Every MLA, I think, has been told. And whether it was done by a predecessor, whether it has been done by you, I believe we need to look into it. Because आज ये environmentalists पढ़ा, they are out in the open. They want to save our ecological fragile land and private, and because they look as if there is business interest. आता मुख्यमंत्रीन आमकां in his statement at the budget, he said that Goa Land Development Building Construction Regulation Act 2010 would be amended, and now you all are going into hinterland. Now under the pretext of hinterland, दोर सांग्यार, काणकोण, सावड्डे हे सगळे गांव आमचे सारखे sons of the soil रावता. Means exact whether this, what is the plan of this particular thing, because the way tourism ministry is projecting hinterland tourism, the amount of trees around, can this be done, is it feasible, and which areas you look at it. Because वायनाडाचे उलयले आमी एक calling attention हाडलेलें, आनीक कालच्या दिसाक माधव गाडगील said that the same landslides that happened in Wayanad will happen in Goa. These are his words. Will happen if proper care is not taken. 350 lok mele. This is a man-made tragedy that was there. In the name of tourism, itle development zale, itle hill cutting zale. I have a reply which says that there are 2,000 hill cutting complaints registered with the department. Now, ek sangpak sota. My example, last assembly session, I brought it to your thing. Tinga Padde Gawant ek dongor ahlo. Once upon a time. Think it kele te pod dongor kappak ege ekля melo muncha geli power of attorney use keli. Munis kedo melo 10 वर्सां आदी एकलो bakar eklo puklin gen gelo akko dongor kosodoilo dongor kosodoin आम कंप्लेन दिली त्या वेळार TCPचे मनीस गेले, रेव्हेन्यूचे मनीस गेले, थिंगा त्या जाग्यार इन्स्पेक्शन जालें एंड ही वॉज गिवन अ नोटीस. आनी कोणा नोटीस दितले? मेलो मनशाक. सो मेलो मनशाक नोटीस दिवपाक खूंय वयतले? आलमाका उलोवपा पडना. आतां मेलो मनशाक नोटीस कोण दितलो? स्पीकर सर, ह्या होच मेलो मनीस मागीर जेन्ना 1 म्हयन्यान आतां थिंगा हॉल तयार जाला काजराचें आनी तुमकां एक गोडे इन्विटेशन येयत ते मुखेलमंत्रीकूय येयत, त्याच जाग्यार TCP मिनिस्टराकूय येयत. अरे हें कितें चल्लां? आम कंप्लेन कोताय, थिंगा हॉल जाता, थिंग मेलो मनीस थिंग येता आनी थिंग मेलो आल्मा नाचताय आसतली. But this is the state of the general, if I cannot control it, in the sense the TCP department, the revenue department, there is a failure, 2,000 hill cutting cases without permissions are happening. So this is nothing but rampant promoting landslide. So you all need to work to some mechanism. There has to be some strict measures. Take action against the galma tenka 10 lakh, 20 lakh fine. Otherwise, how do we protect? How do we protect? We speak here. I believe that you have to get along with your revenue minister, come with some new law, make sure that this type of thing, Wayanad Nala will happen. Because it is said that you have permitted 8 lakhs square meters of land coming under hill slope. So Speaker Sir, Magadista, if we do not act now, I believe that Goa, we are witnessing another Wayanad-like landslide maybe in a few years. Because there are few replies that I would tell the Honorable Minister, whether any permission approvals were given by the department for any land coming under partly natural cover, partly settlement area. Answer says that you've given 4,119 such cases. And that's because I had asked about whether any area comes under catchment area and command area. Ek udaharan I am telling you, last time also I said, in under the pretext of casinos, Deltin, massive thing within command area. He's coming with some casino or making it into a sin city like Las Vegas in Nevada. Whatever happens, he wants to get there. But our catchment area, Speaker Sir, who are giving these permissions and who is basically violating? This is a very, very serious thing because it says that 14 cases are being given.
It's what you just mentioned, is it under my department?
No. See, Speaker Sir, see, you all have now IPB, you all have the tourism ministry, you all have...
ना पण ते specifically तू TCPच्या डिमांडाचे
No, your reply says 14
points raise करता ते raise करणे.
Speaker Sir, I am raising what reply I've got, that there are 14 cases that you've given. Speaker Sir, I had also asked about details about change in land zones and survey numbers and a question like that. The answer was not given to me properly as nil. I don't know the definition of correction of zone and change in zoning land. So you can possibly highlight that. Anta ye je projects jate, environmental impact assessment zala, whether it has been done more, Speaker Sir, it is a very, very serious thing. Whether what is the impact of these with the garbage, with the water supply, with all these type of road networking, all this, what is the actual impact? I think we have spoken about it that Suresh Prabhu also stated that Goa's carrying capacity needs to be looked at. Because of LAQ 156 dated 1st August 2024, it says that I had asked whether the TCP department has undertaken any study on the carrying capacity of each village and town. But the answer that I get is quite astonishing. It says that development is being permitted by the department based on RP 21. ODPs are prepared based on planning area. So there is no study done, no feasibility done. I believe illegal land filling, hill cutting, हे सगळें पड जाता. तुम्ही कायदो जोरी तर हाडलें जाल्यार आमकां हिंगा मागीर इन येते सेशनां लोक हातरायतले आनी कांय उरपाना. लोक हातरायतले, सगळे हातरायतले. हे जोरी तर आमी हो कायदो सारको हाडना. बिकॉज द वे every place you go all over Goa, this illegal tree cuttings happen. That's because sir, थोडेशे म्हाका दिसता मान्य मंत्री बरे मुखार हाडपाक सोदता about these certain agricultural lands under farm house. आतां Amitabh Bachchan is a farmhouse, Shah Rukh Khan is a farmhouse, Rohan County also became a Shetkar. And that's because, these are non-cosmetic farmers. I believe, Speaker Sir, एक तुम्ही सांगपा जाय.
नॉन कॉस्मेटिक फार्मर ते म्हणतात ते फार्म हाऊसाची पॉलिसी आहा, ते फार्म हाऊस कोण करता, पण प्रत्येक शेतकरी वेगळे, त्यांना उद्देश वेगळो आशिल्लो हांवें वेगळे तरेन फुडें वयता
No, no, no. आज
आतां
जरी तूं
प्रत्येकाचें नांव
चुयल्यार-
घेवपाक लागलो तर कशें जातलें तें
ना, ना.
तुजें मनान कितें आहा तें सांग
सांगता सी देर आर
तुका बी farm house दिवंक जाय permission
मुको ना
सांगता.
फार्म हाऊस ना बाबा
ना.
साहेबा नाका
अरे तू कर
नाक
रे.
साहेबा नाका
अरे तुका दिता हांव, तसोच दिता
नाका
हांव.
नाका मुको ना साहेबा फार्म हाऊस अरे काबरान बोस रे
पळय.
करायचे दिला बरं
अरे स्पीकर सर हिंगा जायत फार्मर आहाय जायत फार्म हाऊस आहाय लोकां कडेन मुगेलें एक तुकोडे विनंती जे फार्म हाऊस जे पडे आहाय गोंयकारा कडेन जो आहाय दॅट इज ओके नो प्रॉब्लम बट देर आर सम पीपल मोस्टली नॉन गोवन्स लुकिंग एट दीस फार्म हाऊस आय बिलीव यू नीड टू कनेक्ट दीस विथ दी डॉमिसायल to make sure that Goan farmers get this right. And je farm house, whoever plans to construct or whatever, give it to our Goan farmers, no problem. But you need to also look at Section 3 of the Mundkarial Evision Act. Because I believe the regional plan which needs to be formulated, this is the answer, taking everyone into confidence. Because infrastructure without this proper planning and environmental considerations, and encroachments on eco-sensitive zones. This will directly contribute to water scarcity, landslides, and irreversible damages. My appeal to the Honorable TCP Minister and the Chief Minister that it is now that we need to act in the interest of Goa and Goans. And that's because, sir, I will give you certain sale deeds that were done, NOCs that were given. Section 49 of TCP, whatever, survey number 135/2 in Sirvoi Cape, 226/1A Sheldon, 19/2 Shik Shalwon, 130/7 Sirvoi. What I'm spotting is your answer. I had asked a question. I had asked a question that you have basically given NOCs for registration of sale deeds. You means your department, not you. Your department has given without subdivision any orchard land. Without it, I'll give you these papers. Yes. Correct. So this type, lakhs of square meters have been sold, lakhs. I just got this Cape and Sange. You please revoke these sale deeds. These sale deeds, I think Elton also pointed out, these have to be revoked. I'll just send it to you. Yeah, sarke fraud. Biggest fraud. This happened in 21, I believe. But this is one of the biggest fraud that I'm highlighting. You work on it.
Actually, it's better when you're making a statement, Honorable Leader of Opposition, you also send those documents in a docketed format so I can act on it.
It is
And
sent to you.
you also please mention the year of which it is done. Otherwise, somebody will think that you're pointing a finger at me only.
I'm pointing a finger at your department because government is a continuous process.
That continuous process is okay, but I said it's a continuous and all is okay. You just mention, be very specific to the dates.
No, I said it happened in 21.
See, you sometimes...
I said it happened in
No, I
21.
know you said it happened in 21, but what happened when you're now you're leader of opposition now. Yeah. So when you're telling this, you don't make as it is. People are in a shocker kind of thing. I am only not understanding when this happened. I didn't see when. I remember
No.
honorable
See,
member.
4 lakh, 5 lakh.
It was before the minister took over. Before you took over, but it is continuing now. And now they are giving it.
Same process, जे putting start केल्ले, foundation गायल्ले, that if it is continuing, I think in Sange and several other areas, it is continuing. I will write to you officially with all the sir. You please revoke all the sale deeds. It's because forestaचे उलयतना म्हाका दिसता की the way it rained and a lot of tree cutting incidents that happened, and especially felling of trees on slopes and hills. This resulted basically in loosening of the soil. And a lot of landslides that happened. And basically it's because Kerala, Wayanad, we have spoken, this should not happen again. Uttarakhand also is an eye-opener. Will we learn from our incidents, or will Goa hit the national headlines to join the list next after Uttarakhand? Ata forest fires ache ami gelte sessiona ulele, and the figure says that 2017 to 2022 187 fires, 587.48 hectares affected. 2023 3 private forests, 74 government forests, total 418 hectares affected. Now Speaker sir, we are talking about hinterland tourism. I'm coming back to this because in the name of promoting hinterland, have you processed any data about the amount of trees that would be sacrificed to make way for this project? Number one. Number two, Speaker sir, je amge hills, water bodies and other ecological sensitive areas, have you protected that? What is your plan with regards to the hinterland tourism? Just last week, the High Court told the Forest Department to settle the forest dwellers in notified areas of the Madai wildlife last week. And this was told to you in July last year. First you got last year and Magadista, last week you got another notice. I believe that you have to settle these rights. Out of 10,000 odd cases, I think only 1,000 cases have been processed. It is a long delay. You have, I believe everyone has said, many of us in the opposition, I believe the ruling as well, that a tiger reserve needs to be declared, a tiger conservation plan as per the Wildlife Protection Act. Job plan, tiger conservation plan had to be submitted within 3 months in the High Court to the NTCA, National Tiger Conservation Authority. But ami hui na hui, we have failed, and Speaker sir, or tiger corridor munta ito, it is the most important thing. This will take us a long way in conserving our ecosystem, and Madai would be secured as well. Because the logic of spending crores of rupees to appeal against the High Court order, I believe, which was actually a pro-Goa order, the Honorable Minister should answer. This, I believe, is beyond comprehension. The way the 3 linear projects are expected, the fragmentation of the forest, the fragmentation further destroys the periphery of the forest. This basically has a negative impact on the overall ecosystem. Illegal cutting and hundreds of rezaite wag, jeet mutalo bipte wag bhi bahar sote hain. So they are coming out for breakfast, or why they are coming out? First they were not coming out. I believe you are a photography, you like wildlife, you've gone to South Africa, Kenya, so many places. But why these people are coming out? And you click a picture next time that they are coming out. Because aaj je forest fires ani eje ami uloi, I believe that fire wakes up this government, but somehow never provides an actual wake-up call. Aaj ज्या पद्धतीन afforestation जावपाक जाय. It was pointed out by one of the members that 50% of what is planted basically dies. And this, Speaker sir, I believe that the Forest Department has failed. The tree authority, Magadista, you have to look at possibly a new act, because the way many trees are being massacred, the way these things are moving, you are turning a blind eye. The department is turning a blind eye. Private forester jenna uloitna je whatever the Karapurkar committee recommended, after that Araujo committee ahli ani sogli, what the NGT has said is still not been recommended by the government. What are you planning to do? There are several people, Magadista, forest needs to be protected, and the Honorable Minister needs to answer on this. It's because I had asked a question with regards to LAQ 157 on 18 July about the failure of the government to declare Madai Wildlife Sanctuary as Tiger Reserve. Anik, the Honorable Minister
Honorable
says,
Member.
Speaker sir, under Rule 16 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business, I move a motion to extend the duration of the sitting of the House by 1 hour.
Speaker sir,
The motion is that the duration of the sitting of the House be extended by 1 hour. Those in favor may say aye. Those against may say no. The ayes have it. The ayes have it. The duration of the sitting of the House is extended by 1 hour.
Speaker sir, or replies of Madam, you Honorable Forest Minister was saying that there are a lot of human habitats in that area. But as per my reply of the Forest Department, it says that no survey has been conducted by the government to identify the residential houses, human habitats in Madai Wildlife Sanctuary, as well as the area which is ordered by the High Court to declare as Tiger Reserve. This is the answer of the Forest Department. Speaker sir, we had asked about whether आमी प्रश्न केल्लो गेले ते विथ डिक्लेअरिंग इट इज मादय सेफ काय म्हणून by declaring Madhay Wildlife Sanctuary as a tiger reserve. Your answer, we had asked the same question to you, your department. Your answer is the flow of the water of stretch of Madhay River falling within Madhay Wildlife Sanctuary is already protected. Declaration of tiger reserve will not enhance or diminish, but everyone feels otherwise. So you please clarify on that particular part. I believe, Speaker Sir, Dudh Sagarant, Tourism Department and your department, safety and security somehow had been compromised when there were red alerts, orange alerts. A lot of tourists had gone. You had warned them. You would not allow. Somehow there was some miscommunication. I don't know why then otherwise you're allowed. I had asked about cases of drowning from 2022 till date, and the answer says 6 drowning cases were reported. Anik, your answer also says that the opening and closing of this Dudhsagar waterfall is effected annually on suitable date after assessment of progress and intensity of the monsoon. But there is no coordination. So, Magadista, I believe that when there was IMD issuing red, orange alert, how did these people get there? You say that you had lifeguards and some staff there. So if they were there, how did the drowning take place? Because with regards to, I had asked about what gadgets, and last time there was a calling attention, we asked about what gadgets were there to control the fire incidents in the forest areas. Anik, you have given me an answer, Speaker Sir, that there were 25 offences of cases registered from 2023 against unknown offenders. NJE case register kelmos. Because I would like to know from the Honourable Minister what is the status of these 25 cases that were registered on unknown offenders entering the forest. Because anek ami prashna insalne ki I had asked the Honourable, this is a very classic answer. Honourable Minister, this answer from the department I think will get star rating. We had asked for details of loss of incurred due to human life of various species, flora and fauna, biodiversity due to fire incidents in the forest area. To get answer, department and dila, all the fire incidents which were reported from 2022 till date were ground fire, which affected the ground flora only. No significant loss of biodiversity was observed. No loss of human lives, that is okay. But this answer you see, no loss to wild animals was reported except death of 2 number of snakes. Minister Bab, the answer says that only 2 snakes were reported. Now, yam kis sangba janda? Itlo uz petlo, akke goimbor uz petlo, and 2 soropo mele. Ato keso sorop te habad na amka. Yemagadista Mantri Bab, you need to fix this responsibility. Your answer says only 2 snakes died during the entire from 22 to till now. So, no, your department says these answers. Because I think that you have to have some technology, equipment with the forest department to reach this inaccessible forest. Mantri Bab, helicopter army solo bonta ek mache tu state government adi. Because actually the equipment is oritor. The joke is that what reply your department gives is assistance is taken from police, fire, emergency services. Your father bought these in 1980s, the fire brigades. You please donate 1 helicopter to the Goa government. This is what is required. With these fire brigades, if they go to douse the fire, I think it is going to be disaster. Then God save Goa from these disasters and forest fires. Because I would like to congratulate the Honourable Member Divya Rane. She's here for organizing the Keju festival. But I believe that festival is good, but the actual Keju farmer, they are still awaiting for prices of 175 rupees. Agriculture Minister ingna, so magadista tene ये फेस्टिवल भी कित्याक तेण मुळा आपूण थिंग गेला टुक्क कित केला म्हूण थिंगा काजू फेस्टिवलाक गेलो ते जाणा पण ते कूट कोण म्हणजे कूट कोण येयलो फेस्टिवल इज गूड बट आय बिलीव that this message, if she takes that concept to villages, promotes that even into villages, I think this will get the original farmers out. This is a good concept and I think it needs to be promoted. थोडे म्हाका दिसता केस आहे कासादोर जे 18-20 illegal activities दोले तांकांय म्हाका दिसता they were caught with destructive weapons is a very serious issue and you need to look into it. Speaker sir, I would like to tell the Honorable Minister about the state of the Apnagars within the state of Goa. Speaking on women and child, I believe there are several non-functioning toilets, wash basin, urinals, especially in the orphanage blocks. जी देर आहे ती सारखी बंद जायना, faulty pipelines, water supply, electrical safety na, fixture सारनाय, switchboard सारनाय. Because sir, हुई ना हुई, we need to allocate sufficient budget to this Apnagars. Staffing आणि counseling आचे उलयतना, you need to appoint a counselor for at least 100 odd inmates, जे caretakers, matrons, whatever they are, they need to be, you need to give them sufficient staff. You need to also concentrate, Speaker sir, on vocational training and education. Basically, courses like cookery, bakery, embroidery, crafts, all these things need to be promoted. Classical music needs to be promoted. Now, one very important issue that I would like to bring to the Honorable Minister, the notice of him, is something known as the Child Care Institutes, CCI, that comes under you. Speaker sir, these CCIs in the state, they are doing very great for the service of orphans and child in need of care and protection. And we should make sure at least the grants are given to them in time. Why I am trying to say this? Because this is maintenance of the buildings, mess, staff, salaries, etc. 70% grant comes from the central government. State government gives them only 20% of the grants, and 10% they do on their own share. And if you look at the figures, 21 and 22, and 22 and 23 were given in the year 22-23. Anik, anta choilas because of 23-24, these grants are not given to them. So I request Honorable Health Minister to release these grants immediately. Goa State Women Commission padha. I believe this seems to be decorated with a lot of political appointments. This is not my view, but the view of the general public. I believe that the commission is also dormant. You need to look into this very, very seriously. Ada important je maga manya amdaran mantrin uttor dille with regards to jenna ami private members resolution move kelle about disrobing of women. In this house, 1.5 years, I think, on the assurance of the Honorable TCP Minister, on the assurance of the Chief Minister, I had withdrawn that bill. Speaker sir, Makadista Jain legislation to eradicate regressive superstitions and inhuman practices. Minister Bab, that particular thing you are supposed to bring this. 2 times I bought it. About private members' resolution about that widow discrimination, widow disrobing. You said last session you would bring it. Now it's 1.5 years.
No, that's on my, I had given a commitment and we'll meet immediately after this session so that there's no next session coming. So you also take some initiative.
No, I withdrew my private members' resolution based on your assurance.
Private. There's a government in place. You tell me what it is, we'll form a jointly and we'll take it forward. I have no problem.
You bring it, I think you need to get a bill. You need to get a bill.
Honorable Chief Minister's wife also had initiated this particular thing, this discussion on this subject. And also I'm telling you as leader of opposition, you take it forward. I'll support you. We'll form it together and take it forward.
Speaker sir, and we should lead by example in the entire state. So you take the initiative. Speaker sir, I would not speak on the safety and security of the woman. That comes under Home Department and the crimes that are rising. I'll speak on that day. Now, the Honorable Chief Minister said while presenting his budget that this is a gender budget statement. These are his words. When he says gender budget statement, Speaker sir, consolidation and analysis basically of budgetary resources to the state and would be spent on to benefit the woman. And that's because if we look at this is that last week I pointed to the Honorable Minister, Griha Aadhar Card scheme, and I agree to what Kabral Baba has said. Griha Aadhar almost 9 crore 5 lakhs not been settled for 50 months. आता पोयर लाडली लक्ष्मी एनवेलोप धाडली सगळ्यांक दिसलें ते sanction letter mo. You have sent with a lot of doubt. I'm telling you, most of these forms were correct. Most of these forms, you have to pay, the department needs to pay 59 crores. That is 3,932 applications. My constituency itself, there are about 300 or 400. Speaker sir, this is a long pending demand. Will this happen? Even if you want to do it, do you have the funds? Last time you said 10 crores was given. He said, tuck, 10 crores he would transfer. Did you get it? Amge tori ekui dilna the sanction letter. So hui na hui, under the pretext that the form is not correct, it is that is a wrong thing, because I believe that the government has no money to give it. Speaker sir, Angadwadi teacherache maga dista jo anyay zata, they approached us as well. They were protesting, but selectively they've been targeted. I think the Honorable Minister needs to tell us about that as well. Speaker sir, I would like to bring to the notice of the Honorable Minister ki grants for year 24-25 under budget 102, 5 million ka 102 and 41. This you made a provision of 18 crores 55 lakhs. Speaker sir, this has been made under budget estimate 24-25. But revised estimate zori to tuge gelte orsa choilyar. Your revised estimate last year was 73 crores. From 73, you've been put on a diet to 18.55 crores. Speaker sir, what is this exactly, and what is the reason for this drastic reduction? I think the Honorable Minister needs to tell us. Speaker sir, speaking on municipal administration, akke sogle municipalities je structure are in basically dilapidated condition. Most of the 14 municipalities that have all these structures. Heavy monsoons have become an annual feature. So against this torrential rain, Bab Digambar Kamatan Sangla, octroy pile metale in the year 2007 till 2012. Octroy metale, octroy hui na hui metle, Finance Commission meetings report hui gela whether municipalities will be given this octroy, because they lack resources, they have huge expenditures, huge technical expertise, and lack of scientific tools, while building Sarkor Park, and tengeloi revenue staff are salary poistu. I think even you will know in your municipality. Speaker sir, smart city je jana olela 1,500 crore. Now minister at the start said that he is not responsible. So who's responsible for it? One chairman was there who used to swipe his credit card and expenses. Even he's gone to the US and he swiped the credit card at that time, and 1,500 crores has been spent. He said that 200 crores is spent on, 250 crores is spent on cameras. What type of cameras, I don't know, whether this you can see right to the moon or what. Speaker sir, magadista ki you have to look into it. It is basically mud. Podzata smart city basically is become like a monument of corruption. Monument of corruption. Oittinga, Speaker sir, this has put us to shame. Mukhel Mantri in Augusta sangile ki Swachh Sarvekshan Awards 2023. Enka Panaji has been ranked number 1 as the fastest moving city nationwide. This, I believe, is a big puzzle to me. Residents as well as visitors. Last almost 4 or 5 years, Speaker sir, 2 people have died, Bandaracho or Panajicho, due to this contractor's fault. Judges from the High Court had to come because of the dust pollution that is in. If you look at the roads, the condition is absolutely pathetic. You feel as if you have landed on the moon. When you look at the roads, they're the shabby and pathetic work. So who is going to take responsibility for it? So because don't last mudde jao manta with regards to garbage management. This is something I believe that no management of solid waste management is there in Goa. Basically, it's only segregation at source. At present, we have waste collection and waste dumping. This is all that is there. I believe all these urban areas are mostly flooded with this garbage. Construction debris is another issue. And I want to draw the attention out to the Honorable Minister, last part, about TERI, the Energy Resource Institute. They have said, they have highlighted that Panaji's changing climatic change that in particular with the sea level rise of 73 millimeters, areas like Pato, Fountainage, Santinez, La Kampala, Miramar, Karanjale, 10% Panaji and Urpanam. So what steps is the corporation taking to look at it? What steps is the government taking? Speaker sir, म्हाका दिसता की आमच्या कुंकोळच्या गांवांत आमी वी हॅव प्रपोज द शिफ्टिंग ती आख्खी आल्ता मुन्सिपॅलिटी आहा ती हालोवन वी हॅव वयर सो हें पडटा केदो कामू चेअरपर्सन म्हणटा केन्ना शिफ्ट जातले कामू दॅट फायल इज पेंडींग विथ यू ग्रांट इन एड 14 तुमको हे आहाय मुन्सिपॅलिटी सो 13 BJPचे एकू मुगे आहा ती काँग्रेसीची सो आमचेर हो अन्याय कित्याक ग्रांट इन एड आमकांय दिये तुवें आयक मरे तुवें कांय दिलें ना
तुजेर केन्ना अन्याय केला
ना मुजेर केला लोकांचे अन्याय कित्याक स्पीकर सर हे म्हाका एक ग्रांट मातशें दिये यू हॅड प्रॉमीस लास्ट टायम सांखळी यू गिवन 5 crores हे मातशें आमकांय दिये बिकॉज देर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स दॅट नीड टू बी डन स्पीकर सर एट अमृत मिशन ऑल्सो यू हॅड प्रॉमीस पायपलायन चेंज जस्ट ट्राय एंड अकॉमोडेट आनी स्टाफ लास्ट जे स्टाफ आहाय स्पीकर सर हे रेग्युलरायज करपाक म्हाका दिसता आफ्टर वॉट हॅपन्ड इन मारगांव you have taken a standstill. There are a lot of people in my municipality as well who are working for 15-20 years. A lot of staff in Suda as well. तांकां मातशें फिक्स कर तें फिक्स करूं पावना ते फिक्स मातशें कर हूंय वास्को धाडटा आनी हूंय धाडटा आनी हे मातशें जे आम आन्सर जे मांडला ते तुमी आन्सर दिचे थँक्यू